Hi there. Do you know what a pocket knife is? Well, a pocket knife is something that I think Boy Scouts or Cub Scouts or whatever use. Yeah. Whenever they go camping. And it has several different options. You have a knife. You can have another knife. You can have this thing. I think it's broken scissors. I'm not sure exactly. You know, this other knife. A can opener. They have two can openers on it. Two identical can openers on it. I'm sure that's very helpful. Screwdriver. This is actually very useful. A wine opener. A knife. It's kind of tight. Another knife. And another knife. That's all there is. And it's a pocket knife. Pocket knives. They call it pocket knife, but I think they should call it pocket knives. Very useful. Lots of different options. You close it up like this. It's very fun. And you can use it to saw through trees and stuff. But be careful with these. I would not recommend pocket knives to children under the age of 2, because they can be dangerous, folks. Don't take those things lightly. Well, anyway, that's a pocket knife. Thank you for your time.